Good morning, student. So in last grade we have completed perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. So what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means we have to measure the outside area whatever it will be given in the image or in the given the figures. So now we have to learn area of rectangle and area of square. So what is the definition of rectangle? Definition of rectangle is length is greater than breadth. And definition of square, that is all sides are same. So we have to find the area of rectangle. Length is greater than breadth. Every rectangle is length is greater than breadth. It might be shape is different, but the length is greater than breadth. So see that page number 178. The Manson had finished the tiling in his house. So they want to till on the floor. They are tilling the floor. The wall in front of each wash basin has been tiled. So they have the wall in front of that. So they want to the wall wash basin. They want to fix the tiles there. So they want, it is given green color, blue color and yellow color. What they say is that ABC, the name is given ABC. Find the area of each tile wall by counting the tiles. We have to find the area of that tiles. The first is given A. So the chart is given A, wall, length, breadth and area. This is that area, total number of tiles is used. So the first is given A, 4 units, the length is given. The first it is given that green color. Keep your book in front of you, green color it is given again A. Then it is given that length equals to 4 units. Then breadth equals to, it is given that is 3 units. And then it is says that area. It is given that is 12 square unit. Okay. So it is given that length is given 4 unit, breadth is given 3 unit and area is given 12 unit. It means 3 multiplied by 12 it is 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 it is 12. Sorry, it is 4 multiplied by 3 it is 12. It means this is 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. So the rectangle, area of rectangle, it is given like this. It is given 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the length equals to 4 unit and this is the breadth 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 unit. It is the breadth. So this type of tiles they fix on the wall in front of wash basin. So 3 multiplied by 4 it is 12 square unit. Area is always measured in square because we are using here multiplication. In perimeter we are using addition. In addition we can write directly unit, that is centimeter, meter, whatever it will be. But in area, that time we can multiply by 4 unit multiplied by 3 unit. So it will be the unit into unit, it is became a square unit. Unit they are taken, it is not taken anything. We can take this boxes of 1 centimeter. So it means 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. It means that 1 into 1 is 1 square centimeter. Okay. So it is given in the book 12 square unit. The second is given, that is second is given blue color. So how many tiles is there? Count that. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length equals to 5 unit and breadth equals to 1, 2, 3 units. It means that area is 5 multiplied by And then third one is given, that is yellow color. Count that the length equals to 5 units and breadth equals to 2 units. That is 5 multiplied by 2. It is 12 square unit. Is it? So length, breadth and area. First is given, second it is given the 5 is, the length is 5 unit and breadth is 3 unit. Multiply both, 5 into 3 is 15 square unit, and third one is that length is 5 unit and breadth is 2 unit. 5 into 2 it is 10 square unit. So this is the tiles that fix on the wall in front of wash basin. So what this is that, do you see the relationship between length and breadth and area of triangle? What is the relation between area of length and breadth? So this says that when we find the area, that time the relation between length and breadth is length multiplied by breadth. So multiplication of two terms, length and breadth. The figure is going like this or the figure is going like this. Always length is greater than breadth. Okay. So area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Area equals to length into breadth. So we can write A equals to length multiplied by breadth means L multiplied by B also. This is in the shortcut method. We can write, it is long method. We can write a whole spelling. But we can write area equals to length into breadth. For finding the area, A is capital L and B will be small. Got? Then we will see the area of square. Area of square. So the square is a special rectangle with equal length and breadth. The square is a special rectangle because all sides are same. It's a equal length. So fill in the column for this square and as you did for the rectangles. So the length is given, breadth is given and area is given in the chart. The first is given 3 unit length and 3 unit breadth. So 3 into 3 it is square unit. So B is given, count that it is given that 4 into 4. The second B is given, that is 4 unit. It is length and it is breadth is also 4 unit. So area equals to length multiplied by breadth. It is, what is that? 4 into 4 is 16 square unit. But in square, all sides are same. We say that. So we can write length, about length and breadth. We can write side into side. What we can write? Side into side. So the area of square equals to side multiplied by side. Is it? And the unit is square side. Okay. So when we writing the area of rectangle, that times there is, we can say length and breadth, because the length is greater than breadth. Length is different and breadth is different. But in square, all sides are same. So we can say it is side, 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 side. Is it? So side into side. So we can write area of square equals to side multiplied by side, or we can write S multiplied by S. Okay. So C1 is that. What is that C1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay. So do you see the relation between length and breadth or area of square? So area of square equals to side multiplied by side. So A equals to S into S. So when the unit being used in centimeter, the area will be in square centimeter or square centimeter. So what this says that when we can write the unit of area, that time in rectangle or in square. So we have to write in square centimeter, square meter, whatever it will be. We can write in this way or we can write centimeter square, meter square. In this way also, but mostly we can use this till 5th standard. Okay, so see the exercise 12b. See that. Use the shortcut to find the area of this figure. Give your answer in square unit. So the first is given that it is given the figure, it is that like this figure is given. Okay, the figure is given like this. So length equals to, this is the length and this is the breadth. This is the rectangle in shape. So length equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 it is given and breadth equals to is 1, 2, 3. It is 3. Got? So the area equals to length multiplied by breadth equals to 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay. So B is also like that. Length is given. The box is given like this. So the length is given 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 and breadth is given 1, 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Then C is given. Again it is given 4 into 4 because 4 is and 4 into 4 length is 60. Got? So B and C you can do yourself. Then see the question number 2. Use a centimeter ruler to find the length and breadth of this shape. Everyone has a ruler, scale, is it? It is given in centimeter also. Oh, see that scale. Then find their area using the shortcut. Give the answer in square centimeter. Use that box is given. You have to put the scale on that and then how much centimeter we have to count. What is the centimeter of length and what is the centimeter of breadth? That we have to find and then you have to find the area that you can do yourself. Then see the question number 3. Find the area of this shape. Okay, the shape is given that L equals to 9 centimeter and breadth equals to 5 centimeter. You have to draw the figure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have to find the area. Area equals to length multiplied by breadth. Therefore, 9 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. 9 5s are 45 square centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the problem of question number 3. Simple multiplication is there, only 1 or 2 digit, everyone knows the multiplication. So D and F is given the decimal point, so that multiplication also you know better well, so you can do yourself. Got? Only find the area of this shape means we have to draw the shape of this. This is the length and this is the breadth. If square is there, so you can draw all sides are same if it is given like that. Otherwise, you can draw like this, and what is the length is given, what is the breadth is given, that's way, and you can solve in this way. Always write the formula area equals to length into breadth. If square is given, area equals to side into side. Okay. So, question number 3 is completed. Then see the question number 4. Fill the column. A, B, C, D up to J is given there. Length in centimeter and breadth in centimeter and area of square. So what this is that somewhere it is given length, you have to find the breadth. Sometimes it is given breadth, you have to find the length. So see that 7, first is given 7, it is length and breadth is 3, it is given 7 into 3. Now what we have to do? It is given we have to find the breadth. Is it? We have to find the breadth. Question number 4. The table in front of you, length is given 4 centimeter. It is given in centimeter. Breadth is and area equals to 48. Okay, it is given. It is square centimeter. We have to find the breadth. That time area equals to length multiplied by breadth. Therefore, breadth equals to area upon length. This is the formula. Breadth equals to area upon length. It means that 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4. Then 0, 8, 4 2s are 8. See, is it? It means it is 12. Got this? So, breadth equals to 12. It means area is 48 and length into breadth is there. So, it is 4 into 12. 4 into 12, it is 48. Both are same. So, to finding the length or to finding the breadth, we have to, if the breadth we have to find, so that time area upon length, and if you have to length is find, so we will have area upon breadth. Is there? So, we can do one again. Breadth where length where to find. So, if is there, that we can find it. This is the B1 is there. Now we will do E1. Now E1. The length we have to find, breadth they are given, that is 7 and area equals to 42. Square centimeter. Okay. So, area equals to length multiplied by breadth. Now we have to find the length, that means area upon breadth. So, 42 upon 7. Okay. So, 42 divided by 7, 7 6 are 42. So, length equals to 6 centimeter. So, therefore, area equals to length multiplied by breadth. It means area is 42 square centimeter. Length equals to 6 centimeter multiplied by breadth equals to 7 centimeter. 6 sevens are 42 centimeter square centimeter. Isn't this? So it is. In this way we have to solve the question number 4. Got? So here we complete the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. The formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. And area of square, it is side into side. You can write length into breadth also, but side are same, so we can write area equals to side multiplied by side. So example exercise 1 we have completed one problem. You have to count only that box and you have to write there and multiply. Second is that you have to measure by scale. Then you can find the what is the centimeter of length and breadth. Then third is given, you have to find the shape, you have to write the shape and you can do the multiplication. Length and breadth is given, so there is no square. And question number 4 that we have done like this, we have to complete. So here we complete the area of rectangle. Got? So we will see the area of triangle also. It is very easy. Then we will see in. So it is very easy. We can try this period only and we will see the next period that is different units of area. But now we can see the area of triangle. Okay. So now we will see area of triangle. See, keep your book in front of you and see the area of triangle how we can find. Sometimes while laying tiles, Mulson cut them into triangles. Sometimes the space will be too small, so that person they can cut the tiles so that they can lay them into patterns. How do they know how many tiles to cut to fit a particular shape? After finding the area of the shape to be covered, they need to first find the area of triangle. Okay, to cut the tiles, that we have to first they know how much the space is there, what shape we have to cut. The triangle shape, so how it is we have to cut. First they can measure the space. So use the rectangle method to find the area of triangle. So we have to find the area of triangle, we have to use the method area of rectangle. See the figure first. To find the area of blue triangle, draw the rectangle as shown. So we have to find the area of this rectangle. But we should not find the area of this rectangle easily. So for that we have to draw the square first. Like this. By dotted line we have to complete the rectangle of this or square of this. Okay. So now we can find it. So it will be like this 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 it is given there and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it is given 3. It is given 3 centimeter and this is given 4 centimeter. So length equals to 4 centimeter and breadth equals to 3 centimeter. Got? We have to find the area of triangle. And for formula of area of triangle is half of area of rectangle. Half of area of rectangle. That is half of area of rectangle is and area of rectangle is half is length into breadth. It means half equals to length into breadth is 3 multiplied by 4. 4 3s are it is 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So area of triangle is 6 centimeter square. It is square because we are finding area. Area is always measured in square unit. So see that the area of triangle is half of the area of rectangle. Half of the area of rectangle. And area of triangle is 6 square unit. Okay. So see the B1. Find the area of triangle. Draw the rectangle around the triangle. And then we have to find how it is. So don't do this one. Divide, again this is that divide the triangle in 2 parts as shown. Work on one rectangle at a time. So see the B1. First is given the figure like this. See, you can see in your book, this is the figure. So two square they have made. One it will be, and then second is given. So the second it is given like that. So blue color it is sharp, total it is given 5 and it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of rectangle is half into square. So it is square, it is area of rectangle of that rectangle it is given length into breadth. So that is the 20 square unit. So see that we will do here. How it is the figure. So the figure is like this. Is it? So this says that we have to make us, but we should not find the area of this shape. So we have to make like this. So it is became one square and it is became one rectangle. Okay, here is given that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5 centimeter and 1, 2, 3. It is 4 centimeter. So the first we can find area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So 4 into 5, it is 20 square centimeter is there. 20 square centimeter. Okay, not centimeter, it is given unit. It is units. Then second is given. Okay, so again it is 1, 2, 3 and it is 1. So this is the 2 units and and 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 units. Okay, so this says that area of rectangle. Second is again it is length multiplied by breadth. So 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8 units. Is it? Second is given 8 units. And then we have to find the area of rectangle of this both differently. Okay. So first we can find the area of rectangle of first only this much part. So area of triangle equals to half of 20. It means it is 12 square unit. 2 tens are 20. Second is that area of triangle. Again half into length into breadth of this one. So half into 8. 4 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is 4 square unit. Is it? So therefore the whole of the area of the whole triangle is 10 plus 4. It is 14 square unit. So total area of this triangle is 10 plus 4. It is 14 unit. 14 square. Okay, so the area of whole triangle equals to 10 plus 4, it is 14 square unit. But it is in book, it is solved in book that you can read properly, so you get the answer. So exercise 12. Okay, so it is like this only. only there is not a given two triangle, whatever it will be, only one triangle is given there. So you have to find very easy length and breadth. So half of the first is given 1 2 3 4, length is 4 and breadth is 2, 4 into 2, half of it is 8. So half of 8 is 4. So the first is 4 square unit. In this way you can solve yourself exercise 12. See here at home. Okay, so here we complete exercise area of triangle, area of square and area of rectangle. Nothing is there, it is already everything is given in book. Read properly. If you didn't get anything, you can call me, I will explain. Okay, in doubt session also I will explain everything. So exercise 12C you can complete yourself. Next time we will see the different area of unit. Is not there. Different area of unit we should not take, because we have to find the area of different area but where we are going outside. So we should not want to take. I will give the activity on it in doubt session. Okay. So in next period we will see the relation between area and perimeter. What is the relation between area and perimeter? So important is that relation between area and perimeter is what? That perimeter in outside part we have to measure and area we have to measure inside part. Nothing is there in that. In next period we will see the volume. What is the meaning of volume and how we can find the volume, that we will see in next period. So we have to complete in notebook 12th B and 12th C. Exercise 12B and 12C. You have to complete, you have to solve in your notebook. If any difficulty you get, you can call me. Okay?